This is CleanKIX. Welcome to our top 10 sneakers of 2021. Don't get mad at us. We're gonna forget something. We're gonna miss some shoes. I know. But comment down below what you thought your top shoes were in any order. That's what our list is gonna be. So we'll let Evan go first.
Me?
Yeah, just one shoe. We'll go one shoe at a time.
One shoe? Okay.
Let's start with honorable mentions.
Honorable mentions. I don't know if you're gonna be tough about this, but Jordan 11 Cool Gray. The only reason they didn't make top 10 is there's so many pairs. They're easy to get. Like, I think they're clean.
They are. I mean,
like,
that's fair. I have them in my honorable mention too. Actually, they're not even there. So.
The quality just, I mean, it's not bad, but it's kind of bad. It's not great.
I can live with that. I'll give you one. Honorable mention would be the Undefeated 5 on it collab that they did with Nike. No particular shoe. Obviously, I got a pair on myself. What?
You gotta choose one.
If I had to choose one, it would be the Black Dunks.
Okay, that's fair.
I think those are cleanest with like the icy sole. Those are kind of crazy.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Strawberry Coughs.
Strawberry Coughs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
They got the other ones.
The execution was clear on those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're not too bad.
The drop was weird. They kept pushing them back, so that's frustrating.
That's probably why they're not top 10.
Two more honorable mentions, real quick. Yeezy slides. Those were crazy all year. You kind of know by the prices. What?
No. There's
honorable mention. It's just an honorable mention.
Okay, that's fair.
And then I'm gonna butcher this. I'm sorry. The I'm Leon Dior 550s, New Balances. I'm uncultured. You could tell. I'm working on it. But New Balances, they had a big year.
At least they made your list.
They made the list.
Not the top 10.
Not top 10, but they made the list.
All right. Okay.
All right.
I mean, we're talking about New Balance, so I'm gonna go with the protection pack.
Okay.
Remember those?
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, they're clean. You can't go wrong.
Like I said, not a big New Balance guy. So was that honorable mention? Is that
no?
your list?
That's my list.
Oh, okay.
We're
we're getting into the list now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna get angry. You're not happy.
I'm ready for that. All right. So, like I said, no particular order. Jordan 1 neutral grays.
Lows or highs?
Either or. I mean, they're essentially the same shoe. It's just one's a low, one's a high. So, if I had to pick one, though, it'd be the highs.
Lows. Lows are definitely better. Think about it. What do the lows have that the highs don't?
What do the lows have that the highs don't?
Or what the highs have that the lows don't? They're both neutral.
More material. They're high tops. It's just a personal preference. I like the highs more than lows. You're literally wearing high tops right now.
Can.
And I'm wearing low tops.
They're cheaper.
All right.
Should we just get straight to it?
Yeah.
Patent breads.
Okay. They're on my list.
They're not my favorite. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't rock them. But they're clean. They're breads.
They are. I put on my list, I said patent breads or the trophy rooms.
That's fair.
If I had to pick, I'd probably say trophy rooms. Personally.
Oh, for sure.
But everything with that release and whatnot that went on, it's just like, yikes. You know what I mean?
I know these are on your list.
Okay.
They gotta be.
Yeah.
Union LA Jordan Force.
Yeah.
Question is, which one?
Top Haze. Yeah. I like both pairs. I'm trying to get my hands on a pair of Desert Moss, but I just think the Top Haze is just like a little cleaner.
I would take the Deserts.
Really? Really?
Yeah. I know.
All right.
You're not gonna cry.
Yeah. This is an obvious one. All my money at threes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Those. If I had to choose number one, the top three, those would definitely be top three for sure.
That's my number.
They're so clean.
That's my number one.
Those and the ones. Hey, don't say it. Don't say it. I don't want to hear it.
All right.
I don't want to hear it. All right. Okay. Anyways,
the one's alright, but
Mummy Dunks.
Of course.
Mummy Dunks.
Of course.
The glow in the dark. Oh!
Yeah, with the heel tab that comes off with the eyes.
Oh!
Yeah, those.
The interchange. You know what?
Yeah, Mummy Dunks. That's all we gotta say.
You wanna go somewhere?
Yeah. University blue ones.
I would rather take the Hyper Royals.
You're wrong.
Nuh-uh.
But I mean that's fine. You can be wrong.
No. They're so much better.
They're not.
They really are.
They're really not.
The textures.
Textures.
The weird. It's weird material.
On the Hyper Royals?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I just feel like the University Blues hit it more on the head. Like they're both obviously not OG pairs, but the University Blues feel like something that could have came out and have been re-released. Like the Hyper Royals, I feel like they're just kind of another.
You're right.
You know what I mean?
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. Gotta talk about them.
All right.
Off-White Jordan 2s.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of the black and the blue colorway.
I don't like Jordan 2s. I'm just gonna put that out there. Don't kill me in the comments, but I don't like Jordan 2s. That's just not who I am.
They're all right. I mean, they're not terrible, but
the execution,
if they weren't Jordans, then I don't think anybody would.
The execution though on this collab is insane.
The cracked midsole.
Yep. Everything about them. The signature, the details, just everything about it. I just feel like
that's fair.
They killed it. They just did such a good job. I mean, he always does. R.I.P. Virgil.
Speaking of Off-White, I know. I know. Hey, 50 of 50s.
I just don't get the hype.
Number one. They're number one on my list.
The top shoe of the year.
Top shoe of the year. Think about it. Think how sick it was when you got on sneakers. You know, if you hit on them, you had no idea which one you were gonna get.
I don't believe
it. Was
there's nothing crazy special about that shoe. I literally saw somebody do a custom of Off-White ones.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
I literally saw somebody do a custom of Jordan 1 lows and then put Christmas tree lights in them and then put them in their Christmas
That's
tree.
the coolest thing ever.
You could literally just make those at home.
That's what I'm saying.
They're not that crazy.
It's inspiration, Tyler.
They're not that
inspiration.
Crazy. Nah, it's mid. Nah,
they're good.
They're definitely not worth that price. That's for sure.
Dude, they're not that bad. They ain't that bad.
Yeah, they're not good though.
They're good.
All right, I know this is not on your list. Jordan 6 Carmines.
What the?
Yeah.
Why did you even consider?
The OG pairs. Are you serious? Yo, they did such a clean job, I feel like, with execution on that pair. And I feel like 6s, it's just not what's hype. It's just not what's in.
They're huge. They're chonky.
Yeah, but they look good.
I can't wear them.
6s are nice. They're underrated. Hey, if you want a pair of 6s, you go get them. You rock them.
Stop.
Don't care what anybody else says.
No, if you rock 6s,
clean. And those UNC 6s,
probably cool.
Hey, those UNC 6s coming out this year, I promise, everybody going for those like crazy.
Those are the ones I'm copping. Okay.
All right.
Okay, this is number 2 for me.
Okay.
Even though not in order, but
yeah, it's true.
The camcorder SB Dunks. They were so clean.
I knew you was gonna say that.
They got the little dots like the yellow, green, red.
Yeah.
With the different colors like.
I'm just not a big camera guy, I guess. So I don't get it. So I know you're big into cameras. You know, you're super trendy, so it makes sense.
I don't like how you said that.
That's just not me.
Hey.
Number 2 though, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. Of all the
Alright, then what's your number 2? What's your number 2 then?
I don't have them in order. It's just
choose number 2.
A number 2. Number 1 would be All My Money Airs.
Okay.
Number 2
basic
would probably be it'd be the Mummy Dunks or it'd be the Off-White 2s.
Okay. I'd rather take the Off-White 2s.
That's fair. All right, I got 2 more on this list. Then what you got?
I don't know if you remember these. I'm sure you do.
Mm-hmm.
The Carpet Company Dunks.
I don't remember those.
The little heel tab logo.
I don't remember those.
You don't?
When did those come out?
Hold on, Dick. I got you. They're so clean.
Yeah, that's not a top 10 shoe. These are nice.
Take it back. No, look at this.
These are nice in those.
Yeah. The blues with the gum sole.
It's like a pair of Hyper Royales with gum soles. That's like all it is.
But they're Carpet Company.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah.
Stop.
It's not top 10.
Stop.
It's not top 10.
Okay, would you rather me say the Sting Waters, whatever they're called?
Sting Waters, Magic Mushrooms.
What you trying to say?
I mean, that could definitely be on this list. Definitely be on this list.
Instead of the carpet companies?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. No. Look at the attention. Oh! With the... Oh! This is where it's at.
Alright.
These are 4.
Okay. Alright, I got 2 more pairs on here. And this could be replaced with the Sting Waters. I don't know, it just kind of depends on the day, but the Pata Air Maxes. Either the black cutaway or the noise aquas.
The aquas is what I would take. And those almost made my list.
Yeah.
If I had a third honorable mention, that's what they'd be.
I just feel like, again, it's just like a model I feel like that's kind of slept on. Like Air Maxes, a lot of people like rep Air Maxes.
That's fair. That's
like
fair.
New sneakerheads, especially like people our age.
They don't
even
know what they are. They don't know what order they go in.
But Air Maxes are clean and like those colorways, like the
and
materials
they're mad
used
comfy.
on them. Yeah, they're comfortable.
Oh.
Just everything about that shoe, top tier.
The waves.
Exactly.
Yeah. I need to get a pair.
Yeah, me too. All right, my last pair, and I did get I had to get these. They were too crazy. The Power Abstract Art Dunks.
I'm so mad you got those. I'm still mad. And you didn't even run it by me first.
I didn't need.
You didn't even tell.
You're not
You
my
didn't
dad.
need to. You didn't need to. Did you say I'm not your dad?
Yeah.
Call me daddy right now. I'm just kidding.
Yo, pause.
Yeah, take that out. I think that's all I got.
That's
I
it.
think I went over everything. But I'm starting to think the Jordan 1 neutral gray lows might be the sneaker of the year. Listen, think about it. What don't they go with? What don't they go with?
Nope. The neutral gray lows are sneaker of the year.
What don't they go with?
You're crazy.
Neutral colors.
That's not the point.
Neutral colors
That's
go
not
with
the point.
everything.
That's not the point.
What's
The
the
point
point?
isn't that they don't go with everything. It's the
Everybody
point.
loved them, bro. Who didn't like them?
I don't know. I'm not crazy on them. Like, they're nice. Obviously, I have a pair coming in, but like, I'm not crazy on them. They're definitely not the sneaker of the year, though.
Oh, they
Definitely not.
me?
Definitely not. They're not even top 10, actually. They shouldn't even be mentioned on this list.
Are you
I don't know why
kidding
we're
me?
having
Making me. You're gonna
the
make
starfishes are better than those.
No!
Yeah.
Not even close.
Yeah, for sure.
No.
Hey, you let us know right now. Jordan 1 Low Starfish.
Do we have
You see him. Or Jordan 1 Low Neutral Gray. Let us know in the comments.
neutral gray?
These are great.
What are you gonna wear that with? What are you gonna wear with that?
That's not the point.
Okay, then
The
what are you?
point of a sneaker is not what you're gonna wear with.
Hey, it's just okay. What are you?
There's
gonna
more things that go into a sneaker than just what you wear it with.
Think about this. Okay.
So you're really telling me that Neutral 1 Gray lows are better than All My Money Air 3s?
Yes.
With everything that happened behind the
Yeah.
shoe.
Think about everybody that are saying.
I'm not having this conversation.
Everybody that's saying that
Cut the cameras.
what are they? The Alma Mater 3s. Everybody says they're the sneaker of the year. Everybody.
Because everybody has a brain except for you.
Hey, maybe I'm the one with the brain.
That's how you say it. I'm not. I'm done.
Are you gonna cry?
I might.
Do it then.
It's over. Cut the camera.
Alright. You're done.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to.
Are you being serious, or was that just to have a conversation?
No, I really like the neutral gray.
What? Oh no. Oh.
Were you serious about the
Hey,
pull list?
if
I was serious about
anybody-
pull list.
If anybody needs a job and you
Oh, hey!
hey,
Hey, no, it's
send us a
taken. It's
DM,
taken.
'cause
It's
we got an
taken. It's
opening.
taken. It's
We got an
taken.
opening
It's
coming
taken.
soon. So let us
Already.
know. I'm really done. I can't do this anymore.
I'm upset at you. I don't understand how the Off-White 50/50 didn't even make your top, like your honorable mentions. I'm upset.
I'm going to use the restroom.
I hope you fall in. I hope you fall in the toilet and drown.
You want to do your announcement without him here?
Outro?
Any last words without him here?
Watch your feet.
He raged and left, so I guess it's tell us what your top sneakers of 2021 are. I'm pissed. I'm so mad.